everybody, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new here. So yeah, I'm back again with another video after I don't even know how long, 6 months, 5 months, I don't even know. You know, here's my yearly pop-up, my yearly appearance that I make. So basically today we're going to be doing a 2024 phone reset. Okay, and before anybody says anything, I know it's February 1st. I know we're a month into the year, but January was just not very great. It didn't scream 2024. Like, I was like, we're still in 23. So February is what matters. So yeah, let's just forget about the fact that I'm not posting this in January. But that's okay. So all I'm doing is a 2024 phone reset. Even though there are only 11 months left of this year, we can still do the yearly reset today. So what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be obviously showing you guys how you can reset and declutter your phone and things that I will do to reset and declutter my phone. And also just basically doing it. I guess this is kind of like an excuse to clean my phone as well, because I don't even know what's going on my phone. Honestly, I have no clue. There's like apps everywhere. I don't even know what this is. Also, do not mind my phone background or anything. We're gonna change it. We're gonna make my phone look better. So yeah, without further ado, let's begin. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to do is go into my, whoa there. Okay, so we're going to go into my camera roll, and I actually only have 371 photos because I am so good at deleting multiples or duplicates or photos I don't need, because I value my storage and I really need my storage. I don't know why I'm scrolling. Like, I'm not even going to be showing you guys my camera roll because it's literally me, my friends, and school and stuff. So what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to start from the first photo I have, and I'm going to be going through every single photo and either placing it in an album on my phone or deleting it or seeing what I'm going to be doing. So basically the first thing we're going to tackle is my camera roll. I have a lot of albums here. I'm also very good at sorting my photos because everything is up to date. I think some of them are like, yeah, like this album is not needed. I don't know why that's there. These other ones, I can't do anything about them. I don't know why they appear. I try to make them not appear, but it is what it is. So let's start from the first photo. Okay, and yeah, I'm also gonna add some photos to my favorites because I don't do that, and then when I need a photo, I'm looking through my whole camera roll. So, okay, let's do this. But, okay, a lot of these photos I really don't want in my camera roll, but should I keep them? No, I'm gonna delete them. They're not needed. Okay, so in my opinion, deleting your photos is one of the best things you can do to declutter your phone, because the amount of storage photos take up are insane. Like, I saw my storage go from 60 gigabytes to 55 just after deleting my photos. I kid you not. So, and I also think like it's just wasting space, especially if you don't need the photos anymore. Like, I had a duplicate, not even a duplicate, I had 5 of the same photos, like 5, you know, like images of like the same thing, and it was just there for no reason. I didn't even need the photo, and then I had 5 duplicates of it. So I think this is a great thing you can do to start your decluttering journey, basically. Okay guys, after deleting everything, I now have 284 photos, which is actually crazy because I never thought, yo, that's like nothing. Come on now, guys. Why do I only have 284? But it's okay. We can get past that. So now I'm going to do a wallpaper. So I guess I stopped doing the aesthetic stuff, and my like whole like style, it's not aesthetic anymore. My wallpapers are like my friends and stuff because that's what I like looking at. So we're just gonna get something from my home screen. Right now it's a photo of me with my friend's dog. Yeah, guys, so cute. But I need another one because I'm sick and tired of that. But I don't have any other good ones. I really want to do me and my friends and I, because I think that is so cute. I'm gonna do this one. This one is so cute. It's just me at my friend's house. It's just a random little... Why does it do that? Why does it blur everything out? You think if I do this, it's actually kind of dumb. Like, what's the point? Actually, no, I like looking at it. Okay, guys, so it's just me at my friend's house. I like the color. And my home screen wallpaper, or my lock screen, that's gonna stay the same. I love the way that looks. I'm not gonna show you guys because it's like my friend's. Now we are going to go onto Pinterest. And what I really want to do for this reset is fix my Pinterest. Because yeah, let's not look at the Pinterest. I have no clue what my Pinterest is, and I need to make it look nice. Like, I need nice pins. So what I'm gonna do is, okay, first of all, what are these, like... Okay, I have, like, random boards I don't know where I got from. Okay, I low-key want to delete some of these boards, but whatever. Okay, we're gonna start off by making new boards. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and make 4 boards. The first one is gonna be hairstyles. Second one is outfit ideas. Third one is shoes. And last one is like meal ideas or like recipes for good things. Those are the 4 boards I'm going to be doing. If you want to follow me on Pinterest, it is up there at the top, right here, RE3TS. So you can go ahead and follow me and maybe check these out if you want. So that's what I'm going to be doing right now. I'm going to go and organize these boards. So let's start with hairstyles. I can never find nice hairstyles for my hair. Why is it all videos? Okay, maybe I'll watch a video. Let's see what this girl's doing. Okay, so since I have curly hair, I started off by looking at hairstyles for curly hair. And then I realized these are too cute and too time-consuming to be done for school. So I decided I would just search up normal hairstyles, and then they were also too time consuming. So I moved on to outfit ideas, and I love these Pinterest outfits, and because, you know, they're just so cute, and it's just like what everybody wants, but we can never find them because the stores in Canada definitely do not sell stuff like this. So then I moved on to shoes. So first I really wanted the Jordan the Jordan 4s, the black cats. Then I did Nike Dunks, Jordan 4s. Okay, I'm done with the shoes and the fit. So let's just move on to the meal ones. Honestly, I need like nice recipes. That's what I need. Like recipes. Like dinner recipes maybe. Okay, so clearly none of this is recipes. Okay, guys, so I've been, like, searching for the meal ideas. Why is there literally nothing? I searched for recipes. It didn't give me recipes. So I guess I'm just gonna have to do, like what looks good. Even though I will not know how to make it, but I'll figure it out. Oh my god, these look so good. I'm sorry. What? These are so yummy. I don't like eggs, actually. Actually, they look good. Okay, I love pasta so much. Anyways, I'm gonna say I'm done with my boards. I'm gonna keep adding on later, but if I do it right now, I'm gonna be sitting here for so long. But we need to move on. So the next thing on my list is to clear out my email, because I know it's not a lot, because I do this. Like, I say I do this quarterly. Like, I do this 4 times a year. Actually, I don't think I do it quarterly. I just do it 4 times a year. It doesn't matter when. But I really think it needs to be cleared out. And I'm gonna go ahead and, like, archive or unsubscribe to, like, things I'm, like, enrolled in. Because I sign up for, like, newsletters. And then I get annoyed when they email me. But I'm the one who signed up for them. So it's my fault. So I'm gonna go ahead. And I'm going to... okay, so, like, this thing... I have no clue why I signed up. How do I, like... No. Block. Honestly, I didn't realize how many of my emails were taken up by, like, newsletters I signed up for like, a one-time, like, use. And now my emails are just flooded with this. So I think it's really good to start unsubscribing to newsletters you don't care about anymore. Okay, so it may not look like I emptied anything, but I unsubscribe for so many things. But like it keeps, you see the thing at the top, promotions, like they keep coming back to me. Like I just got 14 new in the span of like 2-3 minutes. So I can't do anything. Oh, look, it went down. Okay, we're getting there, guys. Okay, we're good. Next thing I really want to do is rearrange my apps because so right now what I have is just apps I use the most on my home screen, but the rest are over here. And I don't like that. And I also need to delete so many apps. So we're going to go ahead and do that. We're going to rearrange the home screen. I'm not trying to make any like aestheticness. I'm so sorry, guys. I know we're called aesthetics with me, but I think the aesthetic part of this channel has started to leave me. So now we're just with me. Anyways, we're going to go ahead and just do like organize the home screen. So what I'm going to do, I don't really want to do like color coded or anything. Okay, first let me remove everything from here. Honestly, you know what I realized is that instead of organizing your home screen in like an aesthetic way, it's better to do it based on categories, such as like first you put all your most used apps, and then you put like all your editing apps, all your like school or work apps, and then all like the utilities like settings and camera and stuff like that. And it just works so much better because I have less trouble finding the apps, and I know it might not look the most aesthetically pleasing, but it works for me personally. I don't know if it'll work for you. If it doesn't, you can go do whatever you prefer to do. But I just basically started organizing the apps in categories. So I put like my social media, then editing, then school, and then like food related apps and so on. And I'm actually very happy with the end result. Okay guys, so I have all my apps organized, and now what we're going to do is I'm going to basically go in my notes and I'm going to delete notes I do not use. You know, I had so many like paragraphs I wrote in my notes to like send to people like in the future, like, you know, planning out text messages. Yeah, I do that, guys. What about it? But basically I had to delete all those because they actually took up more storage than I thought they would. I'm finally done resetting my phone, and I hope you guys are too. I don't really have anything else to reset because if you could not tell, I do this reset all day, every day. My photos are clean. I barely have any apps. Come on now. Because I delete everything if it takes up too much storage. Let me actually check my storage. I'm actually really curious. Okay, 55.52. Okay, that's not bad. See, I don't have a lot of storage, so I have to make do with what I have, and I think I do that very well. But still, it somehow manages. Why does Snapchat have 5 gigabytes still? I deleted everything from Snapchat. Okay, it's okay, we'll get there. But thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I hope you guys like learned how you can also declutter your phone. But I'm not really doing much because I am getting a new phone soon in the year. So there's like, I'm not gonna make an upgrade or change my phone case or do something like that because it's gonna get switched pretty soon. So yeah, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.